Hello, my name is Michael Copps, and in the next 5 minutes, I will be discussing the Identity Management Solution Accelerator. Solution accelerators provide step-by-step guidance on implementing key Microsoft technologies. Instead of spending hours searching and navigating Microsoft and putting together your own implementation plans, solution accelerators provide that detailed guidance for you. So the Microsoft objective really is to accelerate the adoption of our technologies amongst our partners. And the partner benefits, of course, is to gain a faster time to market and really accelerate your adoption of these key technologies so you can deploy these technologies to your customers. So today we're discussing the Identity Management Solution Accelerator, which is currently available. So what do we mean when we talk about identity management in Azure? Basically, we're talking about integrating Azure Active Directory, that is our cloud-based Active Directory solution, integrating that with our on-premises Active Directory. Both are Microsoft. Most of our customers are using on-premises Active Directory. So we have developed a great set of tools that integrate both directories, our new cloud-based directory and then our traditional on-premises Active Directory. And we can install synchronization tools that will synchronize users and synchronize passwords. What do we get by extending our Active Directory into Azure Active Directory? Well, now we get a centralized identity management solution for cloud services. That's Microsoft cloud services like Office 365, Windows Intune, CRM Online, and other Azure resources, plus a rich network of third-party software as a service applications out there. We can use Azure Active Directory to gain access to manage our credentials for those solutions as well. So a lot of opportunity in identity management on Azure. So let's take a look at the actual Solution Accelerator itself. I will pull up the Solution Accelerator that is on a blog.technet.com site. And if you want access to this Solution Accelerator, make sure you go to azure.msts2.com. That will take you to all of our Azure in 5 minutes videos, which will link to this Solution Accelerator. So let's look at the components of the accelerator. If we scroll down here, we have first we have this SMB Identity Decision Tree Framework. So really, this just walks us through identity in Azure. First decision that we typically need to make, do we have AD on premises? Well, yes, most of our customers do. And then we decide, do we want to use directory synchronization with password sync, or do we want to use federation? So federation means that we're using ADFS. That's an advanced Active Directory Federation services service that we install on our domain controllers. Typically in SMB, it requires too much build out, too much overhead. So we will just go with directory sync with password sync. And here at the bottom of the decision tree, you'll see that, you know what, we decided to go with synchronization and AD sync. So that is what the Solution Accelerator is focused on. If we scroll down, you'll see basically some resources. That's the decision tree that we just showed. Then we'll see a SMB hybrid identity. This is strategic guidance. You might want to go through this PDF just to get buy-in on what we're doing, right? You could call this an executive briefing. It just talks about what I talked about briefly a few minutes ago, just the importance of having this cloud identity linked up with your on-premises identity. And then we have some quick reference guides for your own research. We have some on the hybrid cloud, we have some on Azure AD, and then Office 365. But the meat of the accelerator is right down here in this PDF at the bottom. This is the test lab guide. This test lab is going to walk you through setting up the directory synchronization, preparing your domain controllers, and having that integration between on-premises Active Directory and Azure Active Directory, our cloud-based directory service. So Action items. Make sure you assign a technical resource to go through this test lab guide. It should take approximately 4 hours is the feedback I've been hearing, but you might want to reserve a full day, and then let us know how it goes and provide us with that feedback. Thank you.